Hey there, dreamers and future achievers, ready to unlock a life you love? Manifestation boards are your secret weapon. They're like magic, but powered by you. Hit that like button if you're ready to transform your dreams into reality. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a life-changing tip. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's about aligning your energy with your desires. And guess what? It works. Get ready to be amazed as we dive into the world of manifestation boards and watch your dreams come true. Let's do this! A manifestation board, or vision board, is a visual representation of your goals and aspirations. It's a powerful tool to clarify your desires and attract them into your life. Think of it as a collage of images, quotes, and affirmations that represent your dream life. Want a new car? Find a picture of your dream car. Dream of traveling the world? Add photos of exotic destinations. The key is to choose images that evoke strong positive emotions within you. When you look at your board, you should feel excited, inspired, and motivated to achieve your goals. Creating a manifestation board is a fun and creative process. Here are some tips to make yours super effective. Set clear intentions. Before you even start, get clear on what you want to manifest. Write down your goals in detail. Choose images that resonate. Select pictures that truly speak to your heart and ignite your passion. Use powerful affirmations. Write positive statements in the present tense, as if your desires are already happening. Place your board strategically. Display it somewhere you'll see it every day. Your bedroom, office, or even your bathroom mirror. Engage with your board regularly. Take time each day to look at your board, visualize your goals, and feel the emotions of already having them. Remember, your manifestation board is a living, breathing creation. Update it as your goals evolve and celebrate your successes along the way. Beyond the board, it's about aligning your energy. A manifestation board is a powerful tool, but it's important to remember that it's not magic on its own. The real magic happens when you align your energy with your desires. This means taking inspired action towards your goals. Your manifestation board serves as a daily reminder of what you're working towards and keeps you motivated on your journey. Believe in your dreams, trust the process, and take consistent action. The universe will conspire to make them a reality. Unlock more secrets. Dive deeper with the Vision Board audiobook. Want to unlock even more manifestation magic? Download my free audiobook, The Vision Board, The Secret to an Extraordinary Life. In this audiobook, I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating a powerful manifestation board that truly works. You'll discover advanced techniques, inspiring stories, and practical tips to manifest your dream life. Just click the link in the description below to get your free copy today. Your dreams are waiting. Take action today. You are a powerful creator, and you have the ability to manifest anything you desire. A manifestation board is a simple yet powerful tool to help you unlock your full potential. Don't wait another moment. Start creating your dream life today. Gather your materials, set aside some time, and let your creativity flow. Remember, the universe is on your side, cheering you on every step of the way. Believe in yourself, take action, and watch your dreams become your reality.